Welcome to today's video on passive voice. Here, we'll unlock the secrets of this important grammatical concept and make it easy to understand. Have you ever heard a sentence like, "The cake was eaten by the children"? That's passive voice in action. It focuses on the action or the receiver, not the doer. Today, we'll explore its structure, conversion, and usage. Let's start with the passive voice structure. A passive sentence typically uses a form of to be plus the past participle of the main verb. For example, in "the book was read by her," was is our form of to be, and read is our past participle. Here's how to transform an active sentence to passive. First, identify the object of the active sentence. Then, make it the subject of the new sentence. Next, use the appropriate form of to be, and finally, add the past participle. For instance, "the teacher teaches the students" becomes "the students are taught by the teacher." Applying passive voice can enhance clarity and focus. It's especially useful in situations where the doer isn't important or unknown. For example, "mistakes were made" conveys the point without assigning blame. Let's look at an example. Consider the sentence, "The city was built by the ancient Romans." Here, the focus is on the city and its history, not just on the builders. In summary, the passive voice emphasizes the action or receiver of the action. Its structure involves a form of to be and a past participle. Transforming active sentences to passive can clarify your writing. Now, go out and experiment with passive voice in your writing. Remember, practice makes perfect. In the next video we will discuss about comparing tenses. Stay connected with us. Thank you.